Hi, I'm Scott Goldfein, Editor-in-Chief and Associate Publisher of Security Sales and Integration. I'm delighted to have with me today Stephen Spinelli, Senior Vice President of Sales for Napco Security Technology. He is an expert on our topic of key home automation trends for security pros. Stephen, thank you so much for joining me. How are you?
I'm great, Scott. How are you, sir?
I'm very well, very well. Let's jump right into it. What do you see as some of the most exciting opportunities for home security and automation dealers today?
Well, thank you for your time, and I'm really excited to have an opportunity to speak with you. Some of the most exciting opportunities I see for the home security and automation dealers are increase in installations and RMR. I think more than ever, people are concerned with protecting their homes, their businesses. Homeowners and their families are spending more time at home via working or virtual learning. And I think these things are provide more need for intrusion and video installation.
Mm-hmm. And the working from home aspect, you touched on it. More specifically, how do you see the pandemic affecting home systems and, as it relates to the dealers and both their customers?
I think, obviously people are concerned with contracting the virus. I think for the installation companies, dealers have to be COVID conscious, follow CDC guidelines, test employees, provide quick and easy installations. I think for the most part, homeowners want someone to come in, provide installations and leave at a timely basis. But I see a tremendous increase in the number of homeowners and businesses requesting security due to COVID.
So Stephen, all that considered, can you offer any quick success tips for them to win more home automation business, especially with all the competition out there?
Yes, Scott, I would focus on the family. What is concerning more homeowners today is their security. Using automation to provide peace of mind. Easy is better. Install products with a lower creation cost, competitive monthly fees from a reliable manufacturer to win more jobs. Automation can be as simple as one device. Most homeowners will add 1 to 2 devices per system in the lifetime of the system. I would focus on doorbells, cameras, and simple lighting control.
Mm-hmm. And let's look at Napco specifically and possibly iSecure. What are some specific solutions or products in that portfolio that can help them succeed in this way?
Yeah, Napco offers an iSecure and iBridge products. This is a combination of security, automation, video. It's the fastest growing security product in the industry today. It's an all-inclusive go anywhere smart hub with the Starlink cell IP. The Starlink is the #1 LTE communicator in the industry. It gives choice of touchscreens, keypads, wireless sensors, smart sensors, home apps, doorbell, video integration up to 80 zones. We offer it in 3 different kits. And I think in the end, iSecure makes residential accounts more, provides a lower cost, easiest installation, fastest programming via app or smart home tablet, allows you to add RMR accounts faster. And I think it's the quickest payback in the industry for your return on investment.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, Stephen. Any other closing thoughts before we conclude?
No, if you want to find out more information, you can log on to napcosecurity.com or iSecureAlarms.com.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you. Appreciate the opportunity.